Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. We're here with another wonderful week of science. Last week, we began looking at how we can be engineers and how we can use our knowledge of math and science to solve problems, which is what engineers do. Now, as we continue to learn about engineering, we're going to continue to look at how we can use math and science to solve problems. Today, as we work, I want you to remember what engineering is. And if we're using math and science to solve problems, we need to think first about what that looks like. Okay, so today I'm going to read to us from our textbook, I can't talk right now, from our textbook or student book, Models and Designs. Let's look at our first story. Now, our first story is called Everyday Mysteries, and it begins to talk about inventors and how they've created some of the things they've created, okay? Again, as I read this and afterwards, I will post pictures in our folder also so that you can read it again on your own, and of course, translate if you need to. After months of saving your money, you go out and buy your own TV. Finally, no more fights with your brother or sister over what show to watch. You plug the set into an electric outlet. You hook up the cable box. You hit the power button. It works. Did you ever wonder what happens to make that picture appear in front of you? It almost seems like magic. You plug in 2 wires, touch a button, and a picture comes on. And the picture was created perhaps thousands of kilometers away. Of course, there is no magic wand, or no magic involved, just science and technology. But if you don't have that knowledge, television might seem pretty mysterious. Many things you use every day are like that television. Pick up a phone, and your voice can travel around the world. A refrigerator keeps your food cold all the time. With an instant camera, you touch a button, and a picture appears seconds later. All these items work for a reason. Scientists have made discoveries about the world, and these discoveries have led to practical products we can use. But at first glance, the science and technology at work in these products might not be easy to figure out. An item such as a TV can be called a system. A system has parts that work together or share the same space in a meaningful way. A system can be huge. The planets circling the sun are called the solar system. A system could sit on a desk. A computer system has parts that work together to help you research a term paper or play a video game. A system can also be tiny. A single cell in your body is a system. Now, as we're reading about this, what systems do you think require the use of science or math? So far, we've talked about lights, we've talked about a TV, and we've talked about the solar system. Where is science included in all of those moments? Today, I want you to think about where science or math are created or are present, in those systems. So go ahead and pick one of those systems and tell me where science or math are present. Think about how we would need to use it in discussing those systems, and we'll continue our story more tomorrow. Okay? Goodbye, everyone.